I'm Amy. This is my twin sister Diana. I'm a board certified behavior analyst. We have been working together to develop useful resources for parents of children with autism. Today we have the Get a Grip ABA Services Binder for you.
In the PowerPoint, you will find the binder cover. This is easily editable, so you can add your child's name, a photo, and the year. You will also find binder spines to easily add this information to the spine. Next, there is a section for home. In this section, you will find materials to help you set goals, understand your child's behavior, and help teach your child new skills. Here you will find our 6 steps to change behavior. You'll also find information on different types of assessments and information to help you understand what other children your child's age might be doing. This will help you set goals for your child.
In the ABA Services section, there is a space for functional behavior assessment, behavior plan, skills assessments, and progress reports. We provide brief materials to help you understand some of the information you will receive for each of these. Then, as you receive documentation from your ABA service provider, you can punch holes and add them to each section.
You will need a printout of the Get a Grip ABA Services Binder. We provide it in color, but it works equally well in black and white. You'll also need a binder. You'll need tabs or dividers. You'll need scissors. And you'll need a hole punch. You can use a single hole punch, or you can use a 3-hole punch. And if you'd rather not spend the time punching holes, you can get sheet protectors and slide the pages into those. You can use a binder you have laying around your house, but today we're going to use the Better Binder, which we ordered off of Amazon because it's so much easier than going to the store. I love Amazon. It was delivered the next day and I didn't have to bring my kids to the store. We'll put the link in the description below. We chose a 1-inch binder, which will hold up to 275 pages. That should be enough to get you through a school year. We love the Better Binder because of how durable it is. It has flexible rubber edges and rounded corners, so if you bump it into something or someone, it will have a soft impact. The pocket in the front makes it easy for you to tuck papers in when you're on the go. It also closes securely, so nothing will fall out. The rings are on the back cover instead of the spine. That way the papers don't shift every time you open the binder. I hate when that happens.
We chose to use Postit Filing tabs to help flag the pages so we can find them quickly. We love them because of how easy they are. They are easy to reposition and we can use a different color for each section. If you want to add a section or take one out that you're not using, you can easily move the tabs. You can also write right on them. If you prefer, you can use dividers. These are great because they have pockets to put papers in until you have time to punch holes. We included a link in the description for each of these as well to help you find them on Amazon.
You'll also need a hole punch. Because we added the punch guides, a single hole punch from the dollar store will work. I happen to have a 3-hole punch, so I'll be using that. You could also get sheet protectors if you didn't want to spend time punching holes and slide the pages into a sheet protector. Now that we have all the materials, putting it together is easy.
Go to our website for more resources and to find this great tool, accessibleaba.com. We included the link in the description to help you find it directly.